uLungelo Madondo-ke abantu abaningi bahlale becabanga ukuthi uyiwele ngenxa yomdlalo-ke owayewudlala edlaliswa indawo yewele. Bahlale bembuza ukuthi liphi iwele lakhe ubese abaphendula-ke.
Now, so I have been getting this question over and over and over again. Anginaliwele ngize nje ngedwa vo emhlabeni. So I'm sure uyazibuza ukuthi hayibo, and then kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi ishuthe yonke lento le. So what happened ukuthi sathola umuntu olingana nami nge-height, complexion iyafana, but ngibengishutha from emuva and then bese-ke mina bangishuthe phambili. Siswaphe kwenzeke the very same thing. From then ke ngaba yiwele. But ama-editors-ke nawo-ke athi fa ngo-magic wabo ngaba yiwele. But le nto ubuwele iyangilandela, because now we feel like ngaba yiwele, so nguwele.
Singakhohlwa-ke futhi ukucindezela ulike, siphinde futhi sisubscribe.